So first you're gonna make the guacamole. All this is cilantro, avocado, lime juice, and lemon juice. I like them both, that's my little secret. A red onion and a clove of garlic. And basically what I always do is I like to take the avocados and mash them first with the lime juice and the lemon juice and the sea salt, and then kind of fold in the rest of the ingredients so that they're not overbearing. You want to be able to get like a burst of that flavor in your mouth, as opposed to just having it all like mashed into the avocado. It'll taste too strong and it just won't come out right. Now we're gonna take jicama and we're gonna make the quote unquote taco shells. Jicama is really versatile. You can do a lot with this actually. And I love that it's crunchy, it's hydrating. If you don't have jicama, of course you could always go ahead and just use lettuce leaves for the taco shells. I'm gonna show you how easy this is with the mandolin. Bam. This is perfect to put honestly anything in, but guacamole tastes so good in this. I'll show you guys how I do it. All right, here we go. And we're gonna take some guac and bam, right in the middle. Any little brown spots you guys see, by the way, like over here, that's part of the skin of the jicama. I'm not dirty. So just guac right in the middle. It's perfect. And one more over here. If you did like some type of raw vegan cheese, you can make like little raviolis out of this. You can put it in the dehydrator. It'll come out really good. You can make a marinara sauce to put it on top and literally make raw vegan, ravioli. Now, as I always say, you guys know I love simple food. So my only topping for this is literally just gonna be chopped tomato that I'm gonna sprinkle on top. I could have mixed it in the guacamole, but there's something about just having it on top and tasting it like concentrated like that, as opposed to just within the guacamole, that I personally like. But avocados taste really, really good with tahini. So if you have any sesame seed dressings, like white dressings, you can do like with garlic and lemon juice. I have a lemon tahini dressing that I can show you guys eventually. That would taste really good on this. But sometimes I just really like to keep it simple. So just go ahead, my hands are clean, just sprinkle it on top. And then you see it's literally like perfect, guys. This is like a perfect snack or a meal. This right here is a meal. I'm gonna eat all of this. Just ripping a little bit over here. You guys know I'm never trying to be perfect. But you can bite into this and I promise you it tastes so good. This is something that you guys really need to try if you haven't yet. And again, if you don't have jicama, you can use lettuce leaves and that'll still be really, really good. I've done that tons of times before. This is raw, it's vegan, it's quick and easy, it tastes amazing. You could even share this with family and friends. So yeah, I just want to show you guys another quick raw vegan meal you could choose. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, fine, I'll give you a taste test. All right, here we go. It's so good. So simple, so fresh. Just try it. Again, if you don't have jicama, use lettuce. Try it. Peace.